Alcohol inks are my favorite medium to work with, and today I'm comparing Maribu Rainbow Alcohol ink additive with Piniatta Opal alcohol ink. Now, both of them have a glittery look to them, but I've never compared them side by side. I'm using some synthetic paper, and I've got some alcohol ink blending solution that I'm using to blend them around. With that blending solution on my surface, I'm adding my colors of alcohol ink, and then I will add the Maribu Rainbow on the top, and I'll do the Piniatta Opal at the bottom. The narrow tip to my bottle for the Piniatta Opal kind of plugged earlier, so I'll be just pouring it from the bottle, trying to not overdo it. The Piniatta Opal comes in a big bottle, so I put it into a smaller one. Both of these you want to make sure to shake them before you use them, because the shimmer part settles to the bottom of the bottle, and you want to make sure to shake it up before you pour any out so that you're not missing it. As I'm moving things around with my alcohol ink blower tool, I noticed that both of them look very similar to each other. I think if I were to leave the room and someone would move the paper, I would probably not be able to tell which one was which. So they're very close. There's very subtle differences between them. I'm adding a little bit more of each of the color, and you can add more blending solution or shimmer or color at any time while you're using the blower tool to move it around. You want to make sure to work in a well-ventilated area with this. You don't want to work in an enclosed space, but it's really beautiful how both of them give an underlying shimmer to the alcohol inks. It's not floating on the top, it's kind of below the alcohol ink color, but it's really, really pretty, and it's a nice addition to your alcohol ink work.